This is question 6 of Civil Engineering General Aptitude section of GATE 2014 afternoon session. In a group of 4 children, Som is younger to Riyaz, Shiv is elder to Ansu, Ansu is youngest in the group. Which of the following statements is are required to find the eldest child in the group? Statements: Shiv is younger to Riyaz. Second statement: Shiv is elder to Som. So now we need to analyze these two statements with the conditions given in question, and we have to find the eldest child in the group. So now just read the conditions given in the question. So the first condition is Som is younger to Riyaz. So we may say Som is younger to Riyaz, but we do not know the difference between Riyaz and Som. So Riyaz is eldest and Som is Riyaz is elder to Som. Shiv is elder to Ansu. Shiv is elder to Ansu, but here also we do not know the difference between Shiv and Ansu. Ansu is youngest in the group. Ansu is youngest in the group. So which of the following statements are required to find the eldest child in the group? So just take the statement 1. Shiv is younger to Riyaz. So if Shiv is younger to Riyaz, it means Riyaz is somewhere here. And Shiv is younger to Riyaz. No. So where will be this Som? So Som will also be somewhere here. So however, we do not know the relationship between Shiv and Som. Som may be elder to Shiv or may be younger to Shiv. But Shiv and Som both will always be younger to Riyaz. So we can say from this condition, we can see Riyaz is the eldest among all these 4 persons. So now this statement 1 can only be solved this question to find the eldest child in the group. So we can say statement 1 itself determines the eldest child. However, check the statement 2. So if we say so the condition was Ansu was youngest, Shiv was somewhere above Ansu. Why? Shiv is elder to Ansu. Now the condition is Shiv is elder to Som. Shiv is elder to Som. So Som may be somewhere here. Now Riyaz is elder to Som. So now since Riyaz is elder to Som, so Riyaz may be elder to Shiv or may be younger to Shiv. So from this condition, we cannot comment on the eldest group or eldest person in this group. So here we can say only option 1 can determine the eldest child in the group. So if we check the options, so options A, statement 1 itself determine the eldest group. Yes. So option A is the correct answer for this question. Thank you.